Scene 1. Arriving at the hotel.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. Thank you. How can I help you today? I have a reservation. Wonderful. May I have your name, please? My name is Emma Wilson. Let me check. Yes, I found your reservation. Great. Welcome, Miss Wilson. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Scene 2. Checking in.
May I see your passport or ID, please? Sure, here it is. Thank you. You're welcome. You will stay with us for 3 nights, is that correct? Yes, that's correct. Your room is on the 5th floor. Perfect. Would you like 1 key card or 2? 1 key card is enough. No problem.
Scene 3. Asking about the room.
Does the room have free Wi-Fi? Yes, free Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. That's great. Your room also has air conditioning and a television. Wonderful. There is also a small refrigerator. That's very helpful. If you need anything, just call the front desk. Thank you very much.
Scene 4. Hotel services.
What time is breakfast? Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Where is the restaurant? It is on the 1st floor, next to the lobby. Is there a swimming pool? Yes, the pool is open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Do you have a gym? Yes, it's on the 2nd floor. That's excellent.
Scene 5. Asking about the city.
This is my first time visiting this city. Welcome. There are many interesting places to see. Can you recommend a few places?
Of course. The City Museum is very popular.
That sounds interesting. The Central Park is beautiful, especially in the evening. I love parks. There are also many good restaurants nearby. I'll definitely visit them.
Scene 6. Extra questions.
Is there a supermarket near the hotel? Yes, it's about a 5-minute walk. That's convenient. There is also a pharmacy across the street. Good to know. If you need a taxi, we can call one for you. Thank you. I may need one tomorrow. We'd be happy to help.
Scene 7. Finishing check-in.
Here is your key card. Thank you. Your room number is 512. Perfect. The elevators are just around the corner. Thank you for your help. You're very welcome. Everyone has been very kind. We hope you enjoy your stay.
Scene 8. Going to the room.
I'm excited to see my room. I hope you like it. I'm sure I will. If you need anything, please let us know. I will. Thank you again. Have a wonderful stay. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Scene 1. Arriving at the